Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We still explain how to use the Telegram app step by step. Today we will learn how to enable or disable autoplay media like GIFs and videos in Telegram app. Let's get started and see how can we do that. First, click on Telegram app icon. Press on three lines which shown on top left. Click on Settings. Scroll down till we get Data and Storage. Here you can active GIFs and videos. Press on this icon to active GIFs autoplay media and press here to active video. Now you enable autoplay media for GIFs and videos. That's it. If this is your first time you are watching my videos, please make sure to hit subscribe to get all new videos. Also consider like, share and comment, and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.